Stations of the Cross. Station 1. Jesus is condemned to death. Station 2. Jesus carries his cross. Station 3. Jesus falls the first time. Station 4. Jesus meets his afflicted mother. Station 5. Simon helps Jesus carry his cross. Station 6. Veronica wipes the face of Jesus. Station 7. Jesus falls a second time. Station 8. Jesus speaks to the holy women. Station 9. Jesus falls the third time. Station 10. Jesus is stripped of his garment. Station 11. Jesus is nailed to the cross. Station 12. Jesus dies on the cross. Station 13. Jesus is taken down from the cross. Station 14. Jesus is laid in the sepulchre.